Today we're talking about one of the best ways to set a positive tone for your day, creating an effective morning routine. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, these tips will help you start your day off right. So let's dive into 10 ways to create a morning routine that will leave you energized and ready to conquer the day. Tip number 1. Plan the night before. Preparation is key to a smooth morning. Before you go to bed, lay out your clothes for the next day, prepare your breakfast, and make a to-do list. This way, you eliminate decision fatigue and stress in the morning. For example, if you have an important meeting, choose your outfit the night before. Prepare a healthy breakfast like overnight oats. Just mix oats, milk, and your favorite toppings in a jar and refrigerate it overnight. Finally, jot down the top 3 tasks you need to complete the next day. Tip number 2. Wake up at the same time every day. Consistency is crucial for regulating your body's internal clock. This helps you wake up feeling more refreshed and fall asleep more easily at night. If you set your alarm for 7 a.m., make sure to stick to this time every day, even on weekends. Your body will start to wake up naturally at this time, making it easier to get up without feeling groggy. Tip number 3. Avoid the snooze button. Hitting snooze can make you feel groggier and more tired. When your alarm goes off, get up right away. Try placing your alarm clock across the room so you have to get out of bed to turn it off. This small action can set a productive tone for the day, making it less tempting to hit snooze. Tip number 4. Hydrate. After a night's sleep, your body is dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism and rehydrates your body. Keep a glass or bottle of water by your bedside. As soon as you wake up, drink it. For an extra boost, add a slice of lemon, which can aid in digestion and provide a dose of vitamin C. Tip number 5. Stretch or exercise. Incorporate some physical activity into your morning routine. It doesn't have to be a full workout. Even a few minutes of stretching, yoga, or a short walk can make a big difference. Spend 5 minutes doing simple stretches like reaching for your toes, side stretches, and neck rolls. Or try a quick yoga routine with poses like the downward dog and child's pose. If you have more time, a 20-minute jog around your neighborhood can be invigorating. Tip number 6. Eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Fuel your body with nutritious food to give you energy and improve concentration. Opt for a balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. For example, have oatmeal topped with berries and nuts, a smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder, or scrambled eggs with avocado on whole grain toast. Tip number 7. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Spend a few minutes in quiet reflection, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. This practice helps you start the day with a calm and focused mind. Use apps like Headspace or Calm for guided meditation sessions, or simply sit quietly for 5 minutes, focusing on your breath. Deep breathing exercises can also help reduce stress and improve your mood. Tip number 8. Review your goals. Take a moment to review your daily, weekly, or long-term goals. This keeps you motivated and aligned with your priorities. Write down 3 things you want to accomplish today. They can be work-related tasks or personal goals. Visualize yourself completing these tasks and how it will feel. This simple step can significantly boost your productivity. Tip number 9. Avoid technology. Try to stay away from your phone, emails, and social media for the first hour of your day. Instead, focus on your morning routine and setting a positive tone. Instead of scrolling through your phone first thing in the morning, engage in activities that set a positive tone for your day, like reading a book, enjoying your breakfast, or taking a walk. Tip number 10. Personal development. Spend some time in the morning on personal development. This could be reading a book, listening to a podcast, or working on a hobby. Read a few pages of a motivational book or listen to a podcast on personal growth while you have your breakfast. If you enjoy writing, spend 10 to 15 minutes journaling or brainstorming ideas for your next project. And there you have it, 10 ways to create a morning routine that sets you up for success. Remember, the key to a great morning routine is consistency and finding what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest tips and tricks. Share your morning routine tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.